Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav from InCred Equities. Nifty witnessed a decent upside, and this is in line with expectations. In the last morning call, we had said that 24,850 zone is a good support area based on two factors. One, there's a rising channel support, which coincides with second, the 55 exponential moving average on daily charts. And people can buy Nifty once these levels are approached. So in the first half of trading session, there was pressure. Nifty was down 70, 80 points at one point in time, which gave a ripe opportunity for an upside. The immediate targets were discussed to be around 25,000 levels, which were crossed and sustained comfortably. Nifty went till 25,100, closed on those levels. So the next targets of 25,200, 300 are also within reach. With this, I would not say that Nifty has achieved something great. It is still in range bound mode in a consolidation phase. And 24,000 option writers are still confused whether we are going to be, whether it's going to be a call writer losing money or a put writer losing money because of the volatility. On a very immediate basis, now 25,000 will be an immediate support area. This is an inflection point, the fight, the tug of war between the call and the put writers. And if this is sustained, if we can go towards level of 25,000 to 5300, which is going to be the immediate resistance going forward. Yesterday, US markets were positive and they closed around 50, 60 picks higher. GIFT Nifty is pointing towards a positive start. Let us see how that pans out, whether we sustain these levels or not. We have seen a lot of pressure sort of building up in many of the stocks, indices, sectors. So there is a scope for an upside. However, it will need a strong trigger because it's part of a range mode, a consolidation phase. One cannot and one should not expect fireworks sort of coming in. Yesterday, the upside was fueled by Bank Nifty, especially the likes of ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. Kotak Bank also played uh, a good character role. And if it were not for the Reliance, which was down, which was very weak and vulnerable, forming a Marubozu candle, if that were not the case, then Nifty would have been much higher than what was yesterday. So if banks perform today also, we may see more upside sort of coming in. Many of the sectors, whether we talk about say Nifty Infra, Nifty Auto, Nifty Pharma, Nifty Banks, many of these sectors closed positive. There were pullbacks from lower levels. And what this basically means, yesterday the upside was not restricted only to one or two indices, but it was seen across the sectors. That does not make the sectors very lucrative. For example, Nifty Finance, it was still trading in a consolidation phase. What I'm trying to say is the upside yesterday was not only on account of just two stocks doing better, SDFC and ICCA, but quite a few other stocks also enjoyed the upside. Sensex also approaching resistance, some more upside and will also again become lucrative. So overall setup remains positive. We are still in the consolidation phase. Risk takers today can buy Nifty around 25,000 if it comes on the spot side, keeping stop loss of 100 points, playing for 25,200. Safe traders should avoid. We had a good trade yesterday. Avoid buying again. Let it break from higher levels, or we witness some of the reversals, or we focus on Sensex for that matter. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.